Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mary and I am back with another interesting video. In case you're new here, thank you so much for joining us. Subscribe, like, share and leave a comment and watch this video till the end. In case you haven't watched the video that I uploaded before I uploaded this one, I'm going to put the link in the description box so that you can go and watch it, so as to understand why I am recording this video right away. I did not have enough time to record the introduction because it's early in the morning. It's around 10. Yeah, to me that's early in the morning, and I ordered 3 items online, and lucky enough zili arrive at the same time, and I was so much excited. I ordered 3 items, the big one in the box, this one that I am holding, and the one on the table. So I ordered this scale because when you're baking, it is a must to have a scale, or if you do not have a scale, you should use the measuring cup. So Mimi, I went for the scale. I did not want to buy the measuring cups. Nilienda just to, like, I wanted the scale because I felt like having a scale is more better than having this measuring cup. So yeah, that is how the scale looks like, and I am so much excited. At least I got the scale, but sasa si electric. It uses those small batteries, and as long as it's going to serve the purpose that I want it to serve, I think that's it. Someone recommended me this scale because there is another one in Nakwanga. Haitumiangi batteries or even electricity, but sasa I did not get it online, so I had to pick this one, and I'm so excited. The other item that I ordered was the decorating set. A decorating set, it's the one that comes with the nozzles, what else, the turning table, the peeping bags, and a lot of stuff. The one as in zile tu za kawaida za kudecorate cake. So yeah, I ordered the one for 164 pieces, and it was on offer. That's why I went for the 164 pieces. I did not get the one that my tutor recommended for me, but nikasema let me just pick this one for 162, because at least 164 because it has many nozzles, and it has many peeping bags, and it has like most of the things that I needed. I don't know whether you can see there on the yeah, exactly, 164 pieces, and I was so excited. Ilikuwa na everything that was advertised there, and yeah, it looked so good. Everything was there. You see, I was so excited. Kwanza the peeping bags, and I use the peeping bags the way I want. Those are the palette knives. They're used for decorating and smoothing the icing and the cream. Those are the peeping bags. There are so many, and at least they are going to serve me the purpose that I want. And then we have the turning table, and we have a lot more stuff. So, yeah, but at least like all the many items that zenye zilikuwa zimeadvertisiwa zimekuja, and that is why I am excited. And the many nozzles, like almost every kind of nozzle was there. Wow, you see that small package, it has almost everything that one needs for cake decoration, like almost everything, you know. So I was so much excited. My package arrived with everything that I needed.
Not trying to be in there, not trying to be cool, just trying to be in there. Tell me how you do. Can you feel where the wind is? Can you feel it through all of the windows inside this room? 'Cause I wanna touch you, baby, and I wanna feel you too. I wanna see the sunrise from your senses, me and you. Light it up on the road. Let's make love tonight. Make it up, fall in love, try. I
this is the third item that I ordered pia, and it is a small sized oven. At first by the I didn't know that these ovens exist. Sikuwa najua that kuna two ovens tudogo. I only thought that the big ones are the ones which are usually used, blah blah blah. And then I asked my tutor about this small oven, and then she told me that it is good. I can start by using this one, and then maybe I buy the other one later, because this one is kind of cheaper compared to the other one which comes with the burners, you know. Yeah, so I think actually this was the main item that I really wanted to see, vile itakuwa, vile ita function, blah blah blah, stuff like that. And at least I thank God I have an oven now. I can officially start my baking professionally. You know, I was so excited. At least everything came venye ilikuwa. And the oven pia, I was afraid that maybe before ifike itakuwa imeharibika and stuff like that, but lucky enough it was in good condition and everything was fine. Yeah, thank you Kilimwell for bringing my things. Actually it took me around only 3 days 3 days to get all things together, and thank you so much. Let me now try and see whether they all work. None sasa vile things will go. Kwanza the oven, I have to test the oven and see how it works, you know. And that's it. I thank God at least the beginner set has arrived, and I'm going to start my baking wherever officially. Thank you guys for watching my video till the end. Thank you so much. Kindly do not leave before you subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Goodbye, see you in the next video.